we're going to show you how to jump off your 2002 to 2005 11th generation Ford Thunderbird. Let's get started. Come over to your seat because your battery is not under your hood where the engine compartment is, it's in the trunk. And push down on this lever, pull your seat back. Now you'll see a little keyhole there, and that is where you put your key in and open your trunk. Open up your trunk, and here's a little cover. Just pull it up from the back and then slide it out. And you will see your battery right here. Get your jump box or your jumper cables, and your positive should be on this side, your negative on this side here. And you can jump off your battery that way. And that is how you jump off your 2002 to 2005 Ford Thunderbird. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.